She looked so beautiful when she sailed out or when she was coming into the harbour. Till she became a little dot, we used to stand there and watch her.
We wanted to do something to carry the brave spirit of India's military might to the homes of lakhs of Indians. This was our way of saluting pride of our maritime borders for 36 years.
जो सिर्फ इतने साल के लिए देश के लिए सर्व करता रहा, उसका एक छोटा सा हिस्सा भी मेरे पास है, इसलिए मैं बहुत गर्व महसूस कर रहा हूँ.
I've never seen people inquiring about a product without seeing it in the ad or whatever. They just came.
It looks massive, it looks solid, it looks tough, and I'm sure tough people are going to drive it the way tough people sailed on board Annas Vikrant.
There cannot be a better tribute than having her relive as part of a bike.
I can't imagine anyone riding that bike with a V there who would not sit up straight with his chest out.
Vikrant has actually come back to everybody's daily life. Earlier it was a very exalted thing, only out at the sea, you know. इन दिलचों का मतलब समझते हैं? हाँ, जिसको कभी तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता है.
Congratulations.
Proud occasion for me to hand over the keys to the Air Force personnel and the second one to the Army personnel and the parts being from the Navy.
I was eagerly waiting for this moment, so that one day I can be a proud owner of it.
While I was watching the YouTube feature, I was almost in tears because somewhere I thought that I can own a piece of history now.
कैप्टन जब भी उस विक्रांत शिप के बारे में बता रहे थे, तो वो फील मैं हमेशा कैरी करूंगा अपने साथ.
प्रत्येक हिंदुस्तान के नागरिक को अपने आप पर गर्व होना चाहिए कि मैं विक्रांत को अपने साथ लेके घूम रहा हूँ.
People are still aware of that name. They have not seen Vikrant, and yet the name lingers.
This ship, as a symbol of any aircraft carrier, brings to us constantly the difficulties, the courage and the spirit of adventure that is imbued in everyone who sails such ships. Indeed,
Show this bike around to everybody and tell them that though we don't have a museum of Vikrant, but see what a fine piece of metal she was made of by what you see from this bike.